Finally, it's here, my pups and seals! OrcaTsukii is official PC collab with Stoneforged. Don't mind me, just pressing against your PC glass. I'm just wanting to keep seeing you, you know? And look at all the details, the colors, the whole lava vibe. It is not just a sticker, the artwork is permanently baked onto the panel, so it's not going anywhere. If you don't just want the case, Stoneforged got you. Just choose any Stoneforged pre-built or have a custom built and set it up with me. You'll get a fully ready streaming, gaming approved setup right out of the box. Come and get it. You know where to go. Are you ready to have me, my pups and seals? Mwah.